Hello, my name is Mrs. Clark Davis. I'm the librarian here at Shadow Creek High School, and I've been working with Miss Fofana in regards to your upcoming TED Ed lessons. I am here to help you with your research needs. Today, you will go through an interactive tutorial. This will show you how to access electronic resources through our library website. If you need help after today, you're welcome to come to the library for help, or you can email me at sclarkdavis@alvinisd.net, or you can message me within your Google Classroom platform. I am also an instructor on the platform, so throughout your TED Talk lessons, if you need help with citations or questions, or how to go about your research, I am here to help you. I will also add different tidbits in regards to helping you with your research. Now, today, I am going to take you to our library website. So go ahead and open up a browser if you haven't already. Go to Shadow Creek High School website. The first thing you're going to do is click on library and sign in because I will be helping you today. So you will complete the sign in and you will click on research assistance. Once you've done that and you've submitted, you can go back or open up another browser and come back to the library site. So once you click on library, over to the left, you will see online resources. Okay. Now, I'm told that you guys have a set of instructions and you are required to select certain topics. So, for example, you have the arts, business and economics, design, engineering, all of these different subject areas. Now, depending on your subject area, you may need to choose a certain database to utilize. So, for example, the Gale Student Resources and Context, this is a general search. If you're concentrating on something in science, you may use Gale Science and Context. Health, you may want to use Health and Wellness Resource Center. So the the opposing viewpoints in context. Here is an area that deals with different viewpoints, or if there's controversy on something, then this one is a good resource. But I'm going to start you out with Gale Student Resources in Context. Okay. We also have different databases along the left side, the left column here, and you can utilize these as well. But today I'm going to show you how to utilize Gale databases. And these databases are similar to the Google searches that you will perform. So I believe that these will be best suited for your research. All of these will require a password. I will post those passwords in your Google Classroom. For today, go ahead and click on Gale Student Resources in Context. Okay, in order to log into your Gale, if it didn't come up for you automatically like this, you are going to type in, let me see if I can do it on another browser and show you. Right now, I'm just opening up another browser, so you're not doing this. Yours will already be on the password screen. If you go there, click on it, you should get a password prompt. It's not coming up. So your password is going to be all caps SCHS 2016. Once again, that is all caps SCHS 2016. If it doesn't work for you, it will be lowercase SCHS 2016. Once you are able to log in, you should see this. It should look like this. The platform, the interface should look like this. You can search. So if you're researching, let's see what some of the topics are. The arts. If you're researching, if your topic is the arts, say you're dealing with musicians or band directors. And here you get your content, tips. So you have 44 reference articles, 49 biographies, 25 images. It just itemizes everything for you. Also, if you see right here, it tells you what particular resource it's coming from, the date of that resource, and you can itemize these things. For a topic finder, you can analyze your results. And so it breaks things up. So if you want to know more about high school music teachers, okay, it will itemize those searches and bring up those searches that are geared toward it. Okay. If we want to go back, you can do a publication search as well, if you know what publication you look for, and you can do an advanced search if you want to get into full text or, Lexile levels, reading levels. But I would suggest that you do a basic search when you're looking for your information, or use the Browse Topics tab. Okay, so when you click, for example, if I'm researching Guatemala, it will bring everything that I need to utilize up. Okay, and so your job when you research is to go through different sources. Okay, so let's go back to the Browse Topic section. Before we go any further, I want you to log in. So you see where it said sign in. I want you to click that. At that time, it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. I'm already programmed in here because I use this often. So it'll bring up your name once you've done that. I want to show you how you can take notes and send it to a Google Doc so that you will have a record of those notes and you'll be able to use them later to write your TED Ed lessons. Okay. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Okay. So if I'm researching fracking and I click on this, and if I read oil industry ups and downs, price out long-term residents of fracking towns. Okay. Each resource has the ability to play the audio. Okay. You can do that several ways. This one actually is a broadcast, so it's going to play it like that. But you can click on listen. You can click on listen. You can also adjust the speed that it goes. So if I highlight, okay, so it would read this whole article to you if you're someone who likes to listen to audiobooks or want to read that way. Also, this is what I want to show you. If you're reading your article, this is actually a broadcast. So I'm going to go back to Browse Topics, find something that is article based. Okay, and if I click on this, it's also a broadcast. I don't understand why it's taking me to broadcast. New York. This is reference biography. So I'm going to just click on David Dinkins. Okay, so if I'm reading this article and I want to take notes, I highlight what I'm reading, click on highlight, click on the color that I would like for this to be and make notes if I've read this. Voters. Okay, and whatever notes you're taking, you want to save them. You're going down to another section and you're taking notes on, after you've read this and you're taking notes on a different perspective, highlight, click on the different area, click on notes. Okay, save it. Say I get to another area that I want to highlight and take notes. All right, save it. Now, all of these notes from whatever article you're reading, you can send them to a Google Doc. Okay? So I want you to open up another browser. Hopefully your Google signed into it would open up and then you will see this little waffle. So click on the waffle, open up Docs. Okay, go to your recent Docs if it's not there already, but there it is, David Dinkins. And there you see it has all of the outlined, highlighted portions that you highlighted within the article. And at the very end, it will have what you highlighted and then your notes underneath. It also will have your biography there, your citation. So once you use the different Gale resources, you're able to send it to your Google Doc. Also, it sends the citation, but if you need help with citation, it gives it to you here. You change it to APA or whatever you're using, MLA, and it will also give you your citation there. I would ask that you go on to after you've done all your citations, go on to OWL, which is the Purdue Online Writing Lab. And this will allow you to click on the different formats, the different writing style formats. So if you're using MLA, you click on MLA, and that is an electronic source. So you can go on here and those are journals. So with the scholarly journals, you can go on and make sure that, okay, I need to have my authors first, title in quotations, journal, the volume, the number, and then the website and when you accessed it, I'm sorry. So this should match up in the format of your citations, and it seems to, because it has the author first, quotations, and the link and when you accessed it. Okay, so if you have any questions on how to utilize and search for more items using this database, please come and see me or email me or reach out to me within the Google platform. This should be enough to get you started today. Thank you very much, and I look forward to helping you further. All right, thanks.